So you've gotten the NFT bug. Ever since those pixelated punks started fetching millions, the world of NFTs has exploded. Digital art, music snippets, even tweets, anything can be turned into a unique, verifiable token. But with this exciting new frontier comes a crucial question: where do you store your precious digital treasures? There are tons of crypto wallets out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Today, we're diving into Coinbase Wallet to see if it measures up as your NFT haven. Security first, keeping your NFTs safe. NFTs live on blockchains, which are inherently secure. But just like the fancy keycard to your apartment, your crypto wallet acts as the gateway. If someone hacks your wallet, they could steal your entire NFT collection. Scary stuff, right? Coinbase Wallet boasts a strong security reputation. It's a self-custody wallet, which means you, and only you, hold the private keys to your NFTs. Unlike custodial wallets where a company manages your keys, think of it like a bank holding your cash. Coinbase Wallet puts you in complete control. Here's the twist: that control comes with responsibility. You'll need to be extra careful with your private key. It's like the password to your NFT vault. Lose it, and your collection could be gone forever. Coinbase Wallet offers various security features to mitigate this risk. Secure Enclave technology stores your private key on your device itself, adding an extra layer of protection. They also offer two-factor authentication, making unauthorized access even tougher. Beyond security, functionality matters. Security is a must-have, but a good NFT wallet needs more. Imagine a museum with top-notch security, but the hallways are dark and the labels are missing. Not exactly an ideal experience for appreciating your art, is it? Coinbase Wallet shines in its functionality. It supports a wide range of blockchains, including the ever-popular Ethereum, the rising star Solana, and many more. This means you can store a diverse collection of NFTs, no matter which blockchain they reside on. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with the Coinbase NFT marketplace. Buying, selling, and managing your NFTs all happen within the familiar Coinbase interface. No need to juggle multiple apps, a big win for convenience. But what if you're an NFT adventurer, venturing beyond established marketplaces? Coinbase Wallet doesn't disappoint. It acts as a gateway to the wild world of decentralized applications, dApps. These are essentially apps built on blockchains, and many cater specifically to NFTs. Imagine attending exclusive NFT auctions or participating in innovative NFT games, all directly from your Coinbase wallet. This opens doors to a whole new level of NFT interaction, keeping you at the forefront of the ever-evolving space. The trade-off: fees and user interface. Of course, no product is perfect. Coinbase Wallet does have a couple of drawbacks to consider. Transaction fees, also known as gas fees, can be a pain point in the NFT world. These fees depend on the specific blockchain and network traffic. While Coinbase Wallet doesn't directly control these fees, it's important to be aware that they can be significant, especially during peak trading times. Another factor to consider is the user interface, UI. While user-friendly, some NFT enthusiasts might find it a tad basic compared to more specialized NFT wallets. It offers the core functionalities, but if you're looking for a super customized NFT management experience, there might be better options out there. The verdict: is Coinbase Wallet right for you? So, is Coinbase Wallet the ultimate NFT vault? It depends on your needs. If you're a beginner, dipping your toes into the NFT world, Coinbase Wallet is a fantastic option. The strong security features and integration with the Coinbase NFT marketplace make it a safe and convenient choice. Plus, its support for multiple blockchains ensures your collection isn't limited by technical barriers. However, if you're a seasoned NFT collector, dealing with high-value transactions, or seeking a more in-depth management experience, you might want to explore more specialized NFT wallets. These often offer lower fees and more advanced UI features tailored to NFT enthusiasts. Ultimately, the best NFT wallet is the one that fits your comfort level and trading style. Coinbase Wallet offers a solid foundation, but it's always wise to do your research and explore other options before making your final decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.